वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। तो आज अभी बज रहे हैं शाम की 6 और मैं अभी व्लॉग स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वॉज वेटिंग फॉर माई डैड टू कम। तो देर इज़ अ सरप्राइज फॉर हिम। Actually he's just there. I don't want to just yell and tell you guys so that he can hear. Actually I think 3-4 months before Ridhan has broke his phone and he was using that broken phone for a long time. So Kunal and I decided to gift him a new phone and he has no idea that we're doing that. The phone has already arrived. He was not there at home. He just came and now I'm just telling him that I'm going to do some sort of video with you. So I need you to be there. So he's sitting there for me and he has no idea that I'm going to gift him that phone and I'll just record his reaction. It will be really worth it. I'm so excited to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So meet my papa. Hi बोलो.
नमस्कार. हाय. कसे आहात तुम्ही? हसताय ना? हसत राहा. आणि माझ्या मुलीचा व्हिडिओ बघत राहा. लाईक करा, विसरू नका.
वो इन शॉर्ट बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे वीडियो देख रहे हो ना, देख रहे हो तो देखते रहो, लाइक करो और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलो. लोग अनसब्सक्राइब भी कर रहे हैं. भाई क्यों कर रहे हो अनसब्सक्राइब? रोज एंटरटेनमेंट मिल रही हूँ, रोज वीडियो डाल रही हूँ, रोज मेहनत हो रही है. ऐसे अनसब्सक्राइब मत करो. दिल दुखता है.
दर्द
होता है, बहुत दर्द होता है. तो ऐसा मत करो. तो पापा और कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
नहीं देखते रहो और लाइक करते रहो.
एंड और एक चैलेंज है आपके लिए. आपको थोड़े से मतलब बोलते फास्ट में एक रैपिंग वाला बॉक्स ओपन करने का है.
अच्छा.
एकदम फास्ट में. हाँ.
Okay.
और मैं टाइमर लगाऊंगी आपको कितने मिनट में आप ओपन कर रहे हो. ठीक है. ओके 1 मिनट मैंने पैक करके रखा है. हाँ. ये बॉक्स है, ये मैंने रैप किया है और ये उनको ओपन करने का है. जल्दी जल्दी ओपन करो. 1 2 3 4 5. अरे ओपन हो गया.
ये क्या है?
ये क्या है?
व्हाट इज सरप्राइज?
What a surprise! ये आपके दामाद की तरफ से गिफ्ट है.
अरे वाह. थैंक यू कुणाल. थैंक यू संजना.
ओपन करा. तो जैसे मैंने बताया, मेरे सुपुत्र ने मेरे पापा का फोन तोड़ दिया था. तो हम लोग को बहुत टाइम से थांबा हाल आहे. दिसतोय तो की दाखवा.
ये देखिए.
कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा.
सरप्राईज
खूप चांगलं
आपके लिए आता दुपारी आला.
अच्छा. थँक यू. धन्यवाद.
द्या आता मी जवळ घेते. एंड द सेटअप इज डन. पापा कैसे लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. खूप चांगला वाटतंय. आनंद वाटतंय.
That is so happy. Finally नया फोन. बीच में एक फोन था, आपने घुमा दिया.
होय.
मतलब चोरी हो गया.
हाँ, चोरी बस मध्ये चढताना तो मारला गेला.
हाँ. तो फिर अभी इस टाइम यू हैव टू बी
आता
केयरफुल.
मी काळजी घेईन.
Okay.
आणि पुन्हा एकदा थँक्यू कुणाल.
तो हो गया हमारा ओपन बॉक्स. हाँ टाकून. तो हो गया हमारा ओपनिंग एंड ऑल दैट कंप्लीट. ऑल्सो आई एम वेयरिंग दिस क्यूट कुर्ती एंड बैंगल्स बिकॉज माई मासी अपेरेंटली कॉल्ड मी टुडे और मुझे बोला कि कभी कभी कुर्ती भी पहन लिया कर वीडियोस में. तो संगीता, मैंने तेरे लिए आज कुर्ती पहनी है और बैंगल्स भी पहनी है. और ये बैंगल्स एक्चुअली ली थी मम्मी ने तेरे लिए, बट मैंने तेरे बैंगल्स पहन लिए. तो मासी, दिस आई एम वेयरिंग दिस फॉर यू. हाँ, मैं लुकिंग कमेंट करना ज़रूर मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ. Hi guys, so it is 10:20 at night. I have changed into my normal clothes and everything. I was just going to Instagram and my old videos and I found my workout videos and my workout series, and I personally am missing working out right now. Actually what happened is when I got vaccinated with my first COVID ka shot, I stopped working out from then. Now it's been I think 2 to 3 months that I haven't worked out and my body is feeling a little bit bloated, and I personally think that when I'm not working out I am not eating right. So it's all a mess. What happened is I quit working out 2-3 months back because I wanted to be on a good diet and not eat rubbish, because when I'm working out I feel I tend to get hungry, so I was eating a lot. So I said that I'm going to go on a strict diet and not eat crap and just focus on good eating and heavy dieting. But that did not happen. Like, it's been, I think August also, it's been 11-12 days and I haven't been eating right. I think I haven't been eating right. And when I was working out, though I was hungry, I was still conscious in my head that, you know, I'm working out, so I do not have to eat a lot. Somehow that I was conscious, and now it's not happening. So just sitting idly, it just struck me that I have to get back to my workouts and all that. So I went through my all-time favorite Chloe Ting, and I found out that she's recently in July, she's posted 2-week weight loss week shred that she posts every year. So the week shred, 2021 week shred is here, 2-week shred, and I'm going to take it. So from Monday I am going to start my workouts and all that. Look at my champu. Nani has done his champy and all that. He's doing champu. So I'm going to start working out, and I think I'll also film my 2-week shred challenge ka, you know, before and after, like my inches and everything. Not weight at all, because when I start working out, my weight just increases because of the water retention and muscle and all that. So it just increases a lot. So I'm not going to be doing the weight wala thingy, but I'm going to measure myself and show you guys how much I measure initially and later also. So that's that. So be connected for that and wait for my videos, because I'm going to do that. And I think before going to my native place, before Ganpati, I have to lose couple of inches, and I'm going to do that. And I'm going to eat right from Monday onwards. So what I ate today will also be a very strict diet one, and my workouts also, which I did when I was trying to lose weight, that the initial period of time when I lost a major amount of weight. I'm going to do that, so stay tuned for that. So it is the next day, it is Friday today, and अब बज रहे हैं दोपहर के 2:30 and I've finished having my lunch. मैंने आज का what I ate today वाला series नहीं डाला because I think I'm just not doing justice with the series, and I feel I did not start the series for that purpose, you know. I wanted to just promote healthy eating and all that, and which I'm not doing at the moment. So I'm going to do that from Monday, like I said yesterday, and I'm going to post all of that from Tuesday onwards. what I ate today wala series I'll re-begin like with the same continuation, but I'll re-begin. But today is Friday and like I said, it's my Shravan and I've had veg, but everybody else, by everybody I mean my Nanu and my father, they're having non-vegetarian, like they're having fish, and this my little baby had fish. So come here. Alright, you come here. So in Shravan, तो I don't. आवाज कमी करते क्या? My little baby. He's my little baby. He's my little baby. बंद कर त्याचं जरा एक मिनिट. बंद. Finish. Come here. किती दे मला? हा. Shravan मध्ये you don't feel like having any non-vegetarian food for 1 month. It just comes to you naturally and it's nice. It's a blessing that way. तो आज 5 o'clock को रिधान बोल रही हूँ. आज 5 o'clock Kunal will be here and will be going home tonight after having dinner. तो दामाद के लिए आज स्पेशल सैंडविच बनेगा बॉम्बे वाला, बिकॉज उसने बोला है कि मुझे वो बॉम्बे टोस्ट सैंडविच खाना है, तो वो बनेगा. एंड देन वी माइट जस्ट टेक अ राउंड एट बांद्रा एंड गो होम. And I guess that's it for today's video. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye. फिर मिलेंगे.